today we were gonna film, but I forgot the cameras and the battery for the camera. So Eric, what are we gonna talk about today?
World of Concrete. We were there for a week in Vegas, which was actually cold and windy, but we had a good time. We got to see a lot of different things.
So this is the Max booth at World of Concrete 2020. We are showing the RB 401TE. The E stands for extension because you don't have to bend over the tire rebar with this stuff. Now, it's called a twin tire because it uses twin tie wire. As you can see, it's two 19 gauge wire that shoots out at the same time simultaneously. So you're gonna get about a half a second per shot with this thing. So in 1 second you get the two ties. And also it's got a contact trigger on this mechanism. So what you gotta do is you put the rebar on the nose here, let it slide and glide, hits the trigger contact over here, and that's how it ties. So no trigger on the handle, and that's why it's such a fast tool. So I'm gonna show you guys how to use it. Turn on the tool over here. Let it initiate. Also, you gotta change the buckles on here, right? To adjust your height. I'm a short guy, so this is gonna do for me. And now you're ready to tie rebar. Ready? Glide. No movement of upper body. But if you want to go really fast, you really have to do like this. Each reel gives you about 220 shots per reel if you're doing 4-on-4 rebar. So if you guys are tying rebar out there and bending backs, I'm young, but this could save your feature and also a lot of money. Where can we find it? Contact maxusa.com or maxusacorp.com or anyone that sells current Max rebar tires. You can get this information.
Alright you guys, one thing super cool at World of Concrete from Makita is this new impact. What's so cool about this new impact?
Let's talk about, we're going to be introducing a new line of impact wrenches this summer. First off, the 14 and the 15 you see right here. We're taking our current XWT 11 and we're introducing the XWT 14 and 15, difference being the anvil. One's hog ring, one's T10. We're going to deliver 240 foot-pounds versus 210, so we got some more power going. But we also have some pretty new features on there. Now, we're giving you 4 speeds on this impact wrench, but we're also adding additional features. 3 features in auto stop forward and 3 in auto stop reverse. So let's talk about what that means. So I'm going to take it from the regular 4 speeds and I'm going to switch it to auto stop 1. So if I'm going and driving an anchor in, for example, let's say I'm concerned about my torque setting here and I don't want to overdrive this anchor to get cracked concrete, this is going to stop right after the first strike. That from here I can go ahead and bring out my torque wrench and finish the application. Now the really neat thing about this too is if I put it in auto stop forward 2 or 3, it just takes a little longer to stop. That way if you're comfortable with the torque setting and where it is there before breaking out the torque wrench, you have that option of taking it forward. Now auto stop reverse kind of works the same way. So if I'm on auto stop 1, it's going to just basically stop the tool right after it loosens the nut. That way I'm not going to run out and lose my nut. But here's a really cool one. Tighten that down real quick. If I go to auto stop 3 and I do it in reverse, what happens is it'll loosen the nut, but then it'll slow the RPM down. That way I can take the nut all the way up the bolt. So this feature will be available in our new Compact Series half-inch impact wrenches, and we're also introducing our new mid-torque XWT 17 and 18 this summer. Now this guy right here has all the same features we just talked about, available both in D10 and hog ring, delivering 738 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque, 516 foot-pounds in forward. This by far is the strongest mid-torque wrench in the market today, available this summer. So keep your eyes out for that one. This is going to be great for tilt-up, attaching braces, or even these I-beams with the U-straps you see here. So we'll look forward.
Cool, and you can use this in more than concrete applications, right?
Absolutely. You can go across the board, mechanic, plumbing with hydraulic. These auto stop forward and reverse. You just get comfortable with what torque setting you want it in, and it does a lot of the non-thinking. It takes that off the plate for you.
Right.
Here's another really cool feature I didn't talk about. We have the ability to disengage the variable trigger on this. So I'm going to go ahead and put it right here, so it goes straight full force. No more variable speed.
That's crazy.
Right? So it takes that thinking off of you. So I'm going to disengage it, and now I got my variable speed back.
Wow. So in this industry, you guys seem to be the most innovative now with like, I don't know how you call it, but computer controlling your tools, right?
So thanks to the brushless motor, you take away the brushes from the commutator, you're adding a computer board to the back of it. Well, the computer board not only makes the tool cooler because you don't have the brushes touching with your contractor, now you can tell that computer how to spin, when to spin, what kind of power, everything. So we're capturing all that data and programming into our tools, so keeping it away from the cell phones. We don't feel you need an app to do that. You can do it right there on the control board.
Yeah, and I kind of agree with you. I mean, not a lot of contractors are going to take out Bluetooth to their tool and stuff like that. I do like it being on a tool, right? Because then you don't have to even have a cell phone.
It's quicker too.
Yeah.
Right? Absolutely.
Cool. Good stuff.
So the XWT-08 is just here for size reference to compare it to the new 17 and 18 that's coming out.
Nice ergonomic grip. Good stuff.
It's got the floater mechanism like we introduced on the 08. A lot of people don't know what that is.
Oh, what is that?
Right here. This is designed so it absorbs the vibration away from the handle, so we're not cracking the handle here because it's so powerful, so violent inside with the impacting. But it also ensures that your connection with the battery and the tool are always in play.
Wow.
Because if you don't have this feature, the durability factor goes down on this tool, and then you start loosening the connection.
Wow.
Because of the impact. So that's what that feature's for.
Crazy cool innovation from Makita. Check them out, Makita.com, right?
Thank you. Yeah.
Peace.
All right, what's up, guys? I'm here at Ranboard. I know it might not be the most exciting thing, but it's definitely a necessary thing to cover the floor and protect your floor. If you guys know, I was doing my house, I laid this down over my wood floor. So I took down plaster, ended up dropping paint over it, I actually dropped oil over it, and this actually held up. And that's what I want to talk about today, because guys, I know you have a lot to choose from, a lot of different products. This is one I believe in and I like a lot. And speaking of that, PJ, if you want at the end of this interview, you have a chance to win $500. All you gotta do is answer 3 questions.
Okay.
We had someone try it today, they didn't do good. You wanna give it a shot today?
Yeah, sure.
Sweet, okay. So tell us a little bit about Ranboard. Why is Ranboard better than the alternative out there?
Well, Ranboard is always like the name brand that's out there. I mean, it's essentially the Kleenex of heavy-duty paperboard. It's super durable, it's recycled product, it's liquid resistant, and most importantly, especially in the context of a show like World of Concrete, it's breathable. And we have a breathable tape that goes with it.
Okay.
So when you're pulling it up on all these big job sites, you're not going to see any lines on it. It's going to protect the flooring that you're working
So why
on.
is breathable important?
So when the concrete's curing...
Oh, you're saying for concrete.
Yeah,
I
it's
got
going to be
you.
able to
Okay,
cure
got you.
properly.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay.
Yeah.
And I noticed you guys have stuff for stairs now.
Yep,
I don't remember
absolutely.
that. Okay. The one thing, guys, that I didn't know about Ranboard that's pretty cool is you can actually fold. It's got a little line right there where you can fold so it goes up the wall.
Yep.
I was always trying to like fold it the wrong way, and then someone's like, "Oh, dude, look right here. You can fold it right." Man, it makes my life easier.
Well, hey man, it's people like you that give us the idea. So
this
absolutely.
is cool. All right, guys. So you want to play?
Yeah.
3 questions.
All right, let's
okay.
see it. Let's
First
see it.
question. We're gonna see. We tried it today and they didn't win it. I think you can do it, dude. $500 cash in your pocket.
All right.
Gotta get all 3. Number 1. What city are you in?
Las Vegas.
All right. You're studying it. I like this. You're up for this one.
You're throwing me some low balls here.
No,
so.
dude. No. I'm 3 plus 5.
8.
Sorry, 7. Oh no, wait. It is 8, right?
It's 8.
Oh, it's 8. Oh, dude. Doing good.
All right, here we go.
All right. Last one. Your favorite food.
Oh man, burgers. Absolutely.
Nice try, dude. Maybe next time. Bacon is the right answer.
Oh,
if
man.
you would have had bacon,
That's it?
you would have won.
All right.
All right, guys. Check out toolsinaction.com. Check us out on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. What else, man? We got TikTok. What else is out there? What's your go-to social media thing? When you go to social media, what do you go to?
Oh man, I'm what about Reddit?
There you go. I like it. All right, man. I'm
Hey,
learning stuff every day from you,
No,
PJ.
appreciate
Thanks,
it.
man. Appreciate it. Have a good one.
For more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.